series is the Corsair K70 RGB Pro, a leading contender for the best wired gaming keyboard of 2024. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro is familiar yet impressive, continuing the legacy of the Corsair K70 MK.2 with its range of high-quality switches housed in a user-friendly design. This mechanical gaming keyboard offers bright lighting, robust software, and a unique tournament mode designed for competitive players. If you're familiar with Corsair's full-sized keyboards, the K70 RGB Pro will feel comfortably familiar. It boasts a sophisticated black brushed metal chassis that is slightly elevated at the top. Each keycap is raised and features customizable RGB lighting, allowing for an array of visually stunning effects. Located at the top right corner are discrete media controls and a textured volume dial, while the upper left corner houses controls for profiles, keyboard brightness, and the Windows key lock. At the rear, there's a switch to activate the tournament mode, which we'll discuss shortly. When it comes to key switches, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro outperforms with its choice of authentic Cherry MX switches. These remain the benchmark for mechanical keyboards, despite numerous advancements by competitors. You have the option to choose from linear reds, quiet browns, choppy blues, low travel speeds, or outrageous. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro may look like any other full-size mechanical gaming keyboard, but it stands out with two notable features: iCUE connectivity and tournament mode. The Corsair Utility Engine, iCUE, is Corsair's proprietary software for gaming peripherals and is one of the most comprehensive and advanced tools available. It allows you to reprogram keys, create macros, customize RGB lighting, associate profiles with specific games and apps, and more. In contrast, the tournament mode is a straightforward feature activated by flipping a switch on the back of the keyboard. This mode is perfect for competitive play as it disables RGB lighting, profiles, and custom macros. This feature, coupled with the keyboard's detachable USB-C power cable, makes the K70 RGB Pro a popular choice among tournament players due to its portability. All in all, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro earns a well-deserved round of applause.